Hey YouTubers, Mike Boards with the Mike Boards channel. Today we're talking about IKEA hinges, whether it's cabinet hinges or door hinges. And what we want to talk about in this video is the soft closing feature hinge. We love it. We think you'll love it. It's worth the extra couple bucks. Let's check it out. Here's the bag that they come in, and there is the exact part number 302.145.04. Again, these are the soft closing feature hinges. Here is a close-up of the hinge. As you can see, IKEA brand. And it is this little mechanism right here that is spring-loaded internally that creates that soft closing finish to the actual hinge and door. So with that said, when you close your actual door, whether it's firmly or softly, once this portion of the hinge meets this mechanism right here, this mechanism slows the door down and takes control from there. And as the weight of the door actually pushes into this mechanism, it slowly rides up the hinge and compresses. So what I'm going to do is close this hinge and show you exactly what I mean. So watch it ride up the actual hinge. See that? Isn't that cool? That is the soft closing feature. I went ahead and opened the hinge one more time. I do want to show you it once more. Again, these are a little more pricey, but I strongly recommend them because of the actual soft closing feature, and it won't allow you to slam the door and harm the door. In addition to that, you'll never hear that loud slamming of a door sound, and that's kind of cool as well. In regards to the door, the actual IKEA door has 4 hinges. The soft closing feature hinge will be at the top, an additional soft closing feature hinge will be down at the bottom, and then there's 2 hinges in the very middle of the door that do not have this actual soft closing feature mechanism. At the storage unit now, I want to show you the 2 middle hinges that do not have that soft closing feature mechanism. As you can see, they are completely bare empty. And way up at the top, you can see soft closing feature, and way down at the bottom is the second one. So at this point, what I want to do is show you the door closing. See that? How cool is that? And I'll actually add a little bit of force as I close the door just to show you how it stops the door from slamming and closes it slowly. See that? One last time. Very cool. Don't even hear a sound. So again, I definitely recommend purchasing these soft closing feature hinges. And if you do, awesome. We have a video scrolling up at the top that will run you through the step-by-step procedures on how to install the soft closing feature hinges to the actual door. We have additional videos that walk you through how to actually drill holes and install these handles. It's definitely a pretty friendly do-it-yourself project. That's it. Do us a favor, below the video you will see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely go to your settings, turn on your YouTube notification bell, because once you do that, every video that we upload, you will be notified. You will be able to stay up to date with us, and that will be awesome. Thanks again.